what is the dispute then?
But the marriage was solemnized on 6,
It has
7.
already been decreased, divorce is granted. If she is working somewhere, कहीं काम करते हैं आप?
नहीं सर.
May I suggest, Lordship?
What he is doing?
He's working as stenographer in the office of the Advocate General.
Hmm.
May I suggest, Lordship?
Huh?
May I suggest, if
Yes,
my Lord
yes.
permit, but both the parties may be relegated for mediation. We'll try if there is some chance, some possibility, if my Lord's permit.
No, what he says.
I had a brief discussion with him, and if we'll try to work out if some feasible.
Is there any possibility? कुछ नहीं है क्या फिर से reunion का?
Actually, they are facing 3 trials on the wife and her family.
What?
All the brothers.
What?
The
what?
trial, the 3 FIRs consecutively in every 2 years has been lodged under section 323, and recently I have received information from the wife that she has received a notice for defamation suit also. So 4 suit she is facing, and she is getting maintenance of rupees 10,000 rupees. So he is contesting very hardly, my lord.
That is not the
323 506 का बहुत FIR.
And
He is one of the brothers. Future is on stake, Lord. He is a professor in NIT Nagaland. He has also been roped in.
there is a judgment, Lordship. The learned trial court has convicted the wife and his family members. There was an attack on the husband. While he was in Bilaspur, they entered upon his house late midnight, and they made an attempt to kill him, and they have been convicted.
Have been convicted?
My lords, there is an order of the learned trial court.
What is this?
In one of the matter, Lord, in 2 matters they have been acquitted, and he has filed
In
the
any-
acquittal
There
appeal.
is no, this is not like a democratic, this voting we are not deciding.
One.
In one case, if your client is convicted, then what is that? Conviction is under section?
452, Lordship. They entered his house late midnight while he was in Bilaspur in an official accommodation, government accommodation. And that's why the appellate court has convicted.
That was altered into 451. In appeal, the appeal was allowed. The appeal was allowed by the Sessions Court. फिर उसका रिवीजन फिर से हुआ यहाँ, जिसपे फिर से इनको नोटिस हुआ है. Which is sub judice.
Appeal was allowed and sentence has been altered to 451.
My lord, in appeal.
451 is still confirm.
Lords,
My lords, that
And
is
it
confirmed.
pending before the High Court in revision.
my lord.
How much is the conviction?
15 days है उसमें. और दोनों इनके भाई इम्प्लीकेटेड लॉर्डशिप, दोनों एनआईटी में प्रोफेसर हैं, एक नागालैंड में और एक
Explore कर लें